Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to download your bank statements from the Lloyds mobile app in 2025. With banking apps getting smarter every year, this process is quicker than ever, and it's essential for tracking expenses, preparing taxes, or just staying organized. Whether you're a Lloyds customer new to the app or looking for a refresh, stick around. This guide is straightforward and step-by-step. First off, ensure you have the latest Lloyds banking app installed on your smartphone. It's free from your app store, and you'll need to be logged in with your secure credentials. Security is key, so make sure you're on a trusted device. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open the app and enter your login details. Use your fingerprint, Face ID, or password for quick access. It's all about convenience in 2025. Step 2. Once you're in, tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. This will show you a list of your linked accounts. Step 3. Select the specific account you want statements for, like your current or savings account. Step 4. Scroll down or look for the Statements or Documents section. It's usually easy to spot with icons like a file folder. Step 5. Choose your date range. You can select the last month, a custom period, or even the whole year, depending on what you need. Step 6. Hit the Download or Export button. The app will generate a PDF or CSV file. Pick your preferred format. Finally, save the file to your device or cloud storage for safekeeping. It should only take a few seconds. There you have it. You're all set to manage your finances like a pro. Remember, if the app updates in 2025, these steps might vary slightly, so always check for the latest version. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.